up, guys? Welcome back to BSGP Gaming Panda, and today we'll be playing some Bellcats. Okay, I got a ticket and cat food. A lot of these already. Let's go to the missions. Something here, and I'm gonna play some games. Yeah, Resident and. After one stage clears, you must wait for a short time before trying again. So this is Mutation. Level 1, it only drops a cat ticket. So I'm gonna put a treasure radar, or I don't. Yeah, probably I don't. Let's do this. Okay, the level 1 is not good to be high, and also already got some of the cats I need. I got Macho, Eraser, Dark, and Flying Cat. Flying Cats for the strong opponents. So first we'll put that, and we also got Valkyrie. So nothing to be scared about. UFO is just a standard stall. Just like a stall. In one shot straight loss. It's pretty good. It can also wave attack. See what's in. Oh, zombies! We got zombies here. What did I put into zombies? The only good one is Miko. Oh. Okay, we got one ticket. Nice. Okay. Nope. The March of Flames. Red thing. Okay, let's go in. Wonders Forest. Okay, we got a red piggy. I think this is not a king pig. It doesn't have the crown. Or the pig that has the dogs like carry him. Those are not. So we just put this, put that, put this. You got the freeze. Okay, one shot then. Oh, now we got the royal pig. The strong boy. The strong boy. The strong boy. We got Jurassic cat. Okay. These pigs are really handling. Okay, they got two pink pigs. I think Rover Cat MK2 is pretty good. Maybe we'll just put one more elephant. Then we'll just put out Valkyrie. Why do we put one more good number? Yep, the flying cats are doing the damage. The critical hit is coming from, I think it's Jurassic Cat, right? The critical hits. Look at my stall of my flying cats. Now I just stand here. You just put out Valkyrie, and they'll just Valkyrie didn't come in time. Okay, XP and cat ticket. The cover. Okay, I'm gonna watch an ad. Okay, I just watched the ad. I didn't want you to do that. Anyways, I got 3 little ships, so that means I can refill my health anyway. Yeah, I hear that music. It's just definitely it's an alien stage. Just wait. If you put up enemies, not put on mine. Oh, a Dark Doge. Oh, this could be bad. This could be bad. Oh, this could be bad. Even if you can knock. Oh no. Oh no no no. Okay okay no 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 no. I think it's all black. It's all black. Black. We need to put black. Everything will be black. Will be anti-black. Nothing will be normal except for mid shields. Slot jockey. And we got weightlifter, and we also got Miko Mitama, which is everything is good. Okay, these are my loadout. We'll maybe put some eraser cats and my favorite normal cat, the flying cat. We also got dark types, also mid shield. Anyways, we'll put our black. Okay, that's what it's called. Yeah, that's what's called the cover of darkness. So this is only have the black doge, and this is black doge and what? Black doge and the gorilla. So just put anti-black loadout. Plotting cat. I think the doge is coming out. Oh, hello she. Yo, 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 yo. Why? Yeah, I definitely need me shoots. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, put down. Quickly, boys. Ah, man. That force be hard. If you guys want me to play any of these games, we can. Oh, Crimson has the throw. Oh, Space Cat. Attack on the R Cyclone. I think the Cyclone's Bright Awakens. Bridal Blues. True form of Madam Right. You know who's Madam Right? Monday stage. Rich Cat Easy. Okay. Rich Cat Easy. I'm gonna just take my dream team out. Maybe let's put some changes. Maybe. Wait. Rich cats. Guys, do you think that figure skating cat is good? Because I saw Matt Shea uses drama cats or what for relic stages. So does is it like very good or what? But I'm gonna just put some figure skating cats. Monday stage. Only 4 stars. Damn. I'm gonna see what the attack is. Drama cats. For like the other ones. For like when it's evolved form. Just put them out. Yeah, this is definitely drama cats. I think his stall very good. He's very slow. And we also can stall. And also one shot is straightless. Oh. And he's not and he's like a second of cooldown. Let's put 3. You won't waste any money by this Valkyrie come out. And you only can get Valkyrie when you finish chapter 2, I think. But you finish chapter 1 for I think P-cat, yeah, P-cat, the cat that is two, it's like it's a P. And then when you, of course, evolved it, you can get Brockcats. Alien! Oh, I thought it was an alien moth. I am stuck on the alien moth and alien hippo stage. It's kind of hard. Yeah, not back. We could train us. Oh, and not back Valkyrie. When you evolve Valkyrie, it becomes Holy Valkyrie. Or it can mean holy. Oh, one more Valkyrie. Great. So bad. No rich cat. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade them. I can upgrade my cast to level 20. Oh, not enough XP. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the shop. 75 is really cheap. Okay, I don't care. I'm still good. Challenge bell. What's challenge bell? So we've got assassin bear and the red and fair and normal stage. Easy. Kind of use legend stages to grind a little bit. The sleeping lion, pretty normal. Yeah, put on my figure skating cat so I can just knock back them. The cooldown's not long. I mean, you can attack at the same time. I mean, yeah, it's pretty strong. Okay, good job. Penguins. Oh, don't let that. Okay. No, attack that penguin. Can't I just been like this? I'm gonna just hit out this. Okay. Is the boss those guys or is the boss the moth? No idea, man. No idea. That's the last stage boss. And plus now I got meat shields. So definitely do. And I'm not weak. I got Valkyrie. Those pretty strong units. 360. Nah, man. Gentle smile. Easy. Yeah, I'm gonna use my leadership. Yeah, I can just win like this. Or if you want me to win it faster, I can go this. Blah. Rover cat's faster than figure skating hats. Rover cat is faster. He outruns anyone in those. And Rover cat is also strong with everything. I heard that there's a boss. 3 gorillas. Oh my. So scared! Who they got gorillas? Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, oh. This is my first time playing this, so I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Yo. 3 gorillas. Yeah, right. These gorillas are actually packing a fight. Nah, they're just dying to wish they would go to heaven. And the cats too. It's not about the cats that you collect. It's the cats that die to heaven. Yeah. Because they think cats are pretty good. And they good too. Okay. Now this is the XP that I want. I'll go to the menu that I need to buy. What's this? Dark Emperor Nyadam. How face to this Mrs. Side? Struck me down. Shy. It's called Shy Boy. I thought it's called Red Face. The face. The face. The face. The face. The face. Fisher Bear. Yo, he's weaker than the one horn. Yo, with the fire station, he's gonna knock down the buildings. Firefight. Speaks all English. Kangaroo. BB Bunny. What's this? Baba. Gory. Managed to kick out of the zoo. Because a scary face has no job or education. Go back, go. When you do this, Gory's right here. Kung Fu, Jackie Pang, and nothing else. Now let's go look at the slapstick cats. Anyways, we also got the true form, tank cat, wall cat, and eraser cat. Has nothing. And we got X cat, brave cat, and dark cat. I think they are nothing bad. And then we got bird cat, UFO cat, and turns into the flying cat. Bro, these are useless until it has area attack and weaken angels. Oh! And we also got this mysterious box. I think it's super cat. Special rare. Yeah, got so much rares. Madam Bright. I don't have its true form, so maybe I'll do it next time. Any. No. Oh, there's nothing. Okay. Any stages you want me to do, I'll come back to it. And then this is all for my video. So if you guys want more of my videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.